The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, has proposed new guidelines for the installation of security systems. These guidelines aim to enhance the safety and effectiveness of these systems while also working to lower the occurrence of false alarms. Firstly, the guidelines state that all security systems must be installed by a licensed contractor, and a permit must be obtained from the local authority. Secondly, security systems must be installed by qualified installers. These installers should have received proper training in the installation and maintenance of security systems. Thirdly, after installation, security systems must undergo inspection and testing by a qualified inspector before being activated and put into service. Fourthly, ongoing maintenance is crucial. Security systems must be maintained regularly by a qualified technician. These proposed guidelines are expected to bring several benefits. One is improved safety. By ensuring proper installation and maintenance, the guidelines will help reduce the likelihood of false alarms and other safety hazards. Another benefit is increased effectiveness. The guidelines aim to ensure that security systems are effective in deterring crime and protecting property. Finally, reduced costs are anticipated. The guidelines are projected to reduce security system costs by minimizing false alarms and other related problems. In conclusion, the proposed NFPA guidelines for security system installation represent a positive step. They are designed to improve the safety, effectiveness, and cost-effectiveness of security systems. The necessity of obtaining a permit before installation ensures that all security systems adhere to local regulations and safety standards. This helps to create a standardized approach to security system implementation. Using qualified installers is essential for ensuring that security systems are correctly installed and configured. Proper training equips installers with the necessary knowledge to handle various system types and potential challenges. The process of inspection and testing is a critical step in verifying that the security system functions as intended. It also helps to identify and resolve any potential issues before the system is put into operation. Regular maintenance is vital for ensuring the long-term reliability and effectiveness of security systems. It helps to prevent malfunctions and extend the lifespan of the system. The enhanced safety measures resulting from the guidelines will contribute to a safer environment for both residents and businesses. Reduced false alarms will minimize unnecessary disruptions and prevent the waste of valuable resources by emergency services. The increased effectiveness of security systems will provide greater protection against criminal activity and property loss. The cost reductions resulting from the guidelines will make security systems more accessible to a wider range of people and organizations. The proposed NFPA guidelines offer a comprehensive framework for improving security system installation practices. By implementing these guidelines, communities can enhance their overall safety and security. The NFPA's proposed guidelines serve as a valuable resource for security professionals, contractors, and homeowners alike. They provide a clear and concise set of standards to follow when installing and maintaining security systems. These guidelines are the product of extensive research and collaboration with industry experts. They reflect the latest advancements in security technology and best practices for ensuring system performance. Compliance with the NFPA guidelines will not only improve the quality of security systems but also demonstrate a commitment to safety and professionalism. The NFPA encourages all stakeholders to review and adopt these guidelines to create a safer and more secure environment for everyone. Understanding the specifics of these guidelines is important for anyone involved in the security system industry. The requirement for permits ensures that installations meet local codes and regulations. This helps to prevent unsafe or improper installations that could pose a risk to property or individuals. Qualified installers bring expertise and experience to the installation process, ensuring that systems are properly configured and functioning correctly. Inspection and testing provide a crucial layer of verification, identifying potential issues and ensuring that systems operate as intended. Regular maintenance helps to prevent system failures and prolongs the lifespan of the equipment, maximizing the investment in security technology. By adhering to these guidelines, security professionals can provide their clients with reliable and effective security solutions. The enhanced safety features of compliant systems reduce the risk of false alarms and other hazards, creating a safer environment for occupants. Increased effectiveness helps to deter criminal activity and protect property from theft or damage. The cost savings associated with fewer false alarms and improved system performance make security systems more affordable in the long run. The proposed NFPA guidelines represent a significant advancement in the standardization of security system installations. They provide a framework for ensuring quality, safety, and effectiveness in the industry. By adopting these guidelines, security professionals can elevate their practices and contribute to a safer and more secure community. The NFPA's commitment to safety and innovation is evident in these comprehensive guidelines. They reflect the organization's dedication to protecting people and property from the dangers of fire and other hazards. Compliance with these guidelines demonstrates a commitment to professionalism and excellence in the security industry. Security system installation is a critical aspect of protecting homes and businesses. Following the proposed NFPA guidelines can help ensure that these systems are installed correctly and function effectively. The guidelines address several key areas, including permits, qualified installers, inspection, and maintenance. Obtaining a permit before installing a security system ensures that the installation meets local codes and regulations. This is important for safety and can also help to avoid potential fines or penalties. Using qualified installers ensures that the system is installed correctly and that all components are properly connected and configured. Qualified installers have the knowledge and experience to handle various types of security systems and can troubleshoot any issues that may arise during installation. Inspection is an important step in verifying that the system is functioning properly after installation. A qualified inspector can check all components of the system and ensure that they are working as intended. Maintenance is essential for keeping the system in good working order over time. Regular maintenance can help to prevent system failures and extend the lifespan of the equipment. The proposed NFPA guidelines are intended to improve the safety and effectiveness of security systems. By following these guidelines, installers can help to protect homes and businesses from crime and fire. The guidelines are also intended to reduce the number of false alarms. False alarms can be a nuisance and can waste valuable resources. By following the guidelines, installers can help to ensure that security systems are properly installed and configured, which can reduce the likelihood of false alarms. The proposed NFPA guidelines are a valuable resource for security system installers. By following these guidelines, installers can help to improve the safety and effectiveness of security systems. They also help to reduce the number of false alarms. The guidelines are available on the NFPA website and can be downloaded for free. Security system installation is a complex process that requires specialized knowledge and skills. It is important to choose a qualified installer who is familiar with the proposed NFPA guidelines. A qualified installer will be able to properly install the system and ensure that it is functioning correctly. The installer will also be able to provide ongoing maintenance and support. Security systems can provide peace of mind and can help to protect homes and businesses from crime and fire. However, it is important to choose a system that is appropriate for the specific needs of the property. A qualified installer can help to assess the property and recommend a system that will provide adequate protection. Security systems should be regularly tested to ensure that they are functioning properly. It is also important to keep the system's batteries charged and to replace them as needed. Security systems are an important investment in the safety and security of homes and businesses. By following the proposed NFPA guidelines and choosing a qualified installer, property owners can help to ensure that the systems are installed correctly and function effectively. These guidelines cover a broad spectrum of aspects related to security system implementation. They are meant to bring a uniform method to how these systems are installed, maintained, and operated. The focus on licensed contractors and permits ensures that only those with the necessary qualifications and adherence to regulations are involved. This offers a layer of assurance that the work is being carried out responsibly. Training and qualification of installers is essential for a successful installation. Keeping up with the latest technologies and methods allows the installer to offer the best solutions and to integrate them correctly. Regular inspection and testing is a validation step that ensures the system operates as expected. Identifying and addressing any potential issues prior to full operation is critical to preventing problems later. Ongoing maintenance is not simply a recommendation, it is a necessity. Security systems are subject to environmental factors, component wear, and potential tampering. Scheduled maintenance helps to identify and fix these issues early, ensuring the system remains effective. The goal is always to improve security systems' reliability and minimize instances of false alarms. False alarms waste resources, put unnecessary stress on emergency services, and can decrease public trust in security measures. The guidelines work to resolve these by demanding best practices at each phase. Security is not static. The nature of potential threats changes constantly. The guidelines are made to be adaptable and updated to address new risks and integrate new technologies. The NFPA's dedication to safety is what drives these standards. They are dedicated to reducing the risks associated with fire, electrical, and other hazards through research, training, and education. Security systems are vital for protecting life and property, and the proposed guidelines seek to improve the quality, effectiveness, and reliability of these systems. The introduction of these guidelines is timely, given the increasing dependence on security systems in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. As technology advances, it is crucial to have standards that keep pace and make sure that these systems are deployed and maintained responsibly. The guidelines offer a framework for all stakeholders to come together, including installers, contractors, building owners, and regulatory agencies. Collaboration is critical to create a more secure environment for all.